Sorry guys, we lost that one. I don't know what happened to that video. Just cut off. Let's come back. Let's come back.
Hello, Ebony. Good evening, Alpha.
My number one fan.
About in happy enjoyment.
I know, but you know the Christmas not for me.
I don't understand.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
You can't dance. You can't dance this year.
Don't worry, I'll do Christmas for you. I'll do Christmas for you. The one where they come again, I'll do for you.
Next Christmas. What kind of sex?
The one where they come again, Bonnie, I'll do for you. Christmas not they finished. I've been alive.
Don't try yourself.
Abi, though. Ebony one, aka no Samu Diananga no ya day one.
AKA the Queen of the Domu.
Belle, you never go back.
No, I sit there around you.
Hey, yeah, say my call you for video. Can be saying I Farish Nigeria, I'll call cash for us. Hey, yeah, though. Hope you dey fine, Sha.
You say?
Hope you are fine.
I'm very fine, but I'm stressed. I miss my train, so
where you dey go? You too like waka. Where are you going?
I too travel.
You too dey like waka. I no understand. You know they sit down for one place. Now so Sha never a dull moment. You do it well. You do it well. Though I say my greet you now. You take care.
Correct.
Love you. Love you always. Bye.
Love you, love you, love you.
Cotton, Ebony cotton.
From Miss Jane. Oh, yeah, send a request. Let's add you. We lost the first video. So painful. People should share this on. Who they Zuzula? Who they Zuzula? Oh yeah, send request. Let's add you. People should share this video. Who they Zuzu? Who they want? Yeah, so it's people. No. I think another people post for you. Wow, they UK how they get people. Yeah, guys, share this video. Share it. I want to have at least 200 shares. Everybody here should share this live video now. Share it now. It's not hard to do. Share it and let it go viral. Amen. Thank you guys. If you know you've shared this video, just say I've shared it. Just say I've shared. Thank you, Miss Frances. I share this video now. Let's go. Yeah, adding somebody. Fine. Have you shared this video? If you shared, say yes. I have. Let's see people that have not shared it. Okay. What is the time? I'm not gonna miss the train again. After 6. Yeah, almost there. We have an hour to go. We have an hour to go, guys. Let's do this. Have you shared this live video? People to share it now. Share it, please. If you want me to grow, if you love me, if you want me to succeed, you have to share this live video. And we have a lot coming to this page. A lot will be coming to this page, trust me. I'm adding someone else. Hello.
Hello,
Hey,
my daughter's daughter.
how are you, my darling?
Ebony Williams.
You're right.
Hey, a good everyone.
I can't see you get out, though.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, but not that loud.
I don't know why I'm not hearing you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but not that loud.
I don't know why I am not hearing you.
You can't hear me? Really?
But it's okay. I can't find my earpiece, so I'll look for it when I get home, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry, this calls, we're gonna do it again next time.
Okay, definitely.
I love you, baby.
Ebony
Please
Williams.
share this video. Share it.
Definitely, I'm sure.
Share it.
Definitely.
Share
Yeah,
it. Share it.
definitely. Love you.
Okay, let's take another call. Okay, so send your request. Smith, I couldn't add you. I don't know what's wrong. Can you hear me now? Is there sound now? Can you hear me now? No sound. Why? Hold on. I'm coming, guys. Can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm checking it. Okay. So have you shared this video? If you've shared this video, let me see yes. Have you shared this video? Have you shared this video? If you've shared it, let me see. Oh my God. I really appreciate you guys for staying with me. I really appreciate. For them, God. I love you all so much. I love you so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for all you do for me. See, guys, you all don't know how grateful I am. I'm telling you. You don't know how grateful I am. But hey, now God get power. Yes, and I'm happy. So happy. Having you all in my life, my real followers, having you all in my life is the biggest thing for me. I reach Jack. Oh yeah, now come marry me and wait. Oh my God, I'm so tired. My body is hot. If I enter such, I go sleep small. I need to sleep. My body they hurt me. Which money? Thank you. You love my hair, yeah, thanks. I bought it from Melwood. I'm tired. I swear. I swear, when I don't go sleep past my shit. I just call somebody made the monitor me. I don't go sleep. Precious, which money you dey talk about? I know a lot of money. Which one? Yeah, I'm tired. Abi, I didn't sleep well last night. Sef. I was writing. Swear. Hold on, guys, 1 minute. My son. I don't know. I have a lot of sons, so I don't know what you're talking about. So, guys, help me share this video. I'll try not to sleep. I'll try because I feel sleep fast. At least that's 2 hours. May I use and rest. I use and rest. It's cooked. I just finished cooking. It's cooked.
Hi, my Bonnie. How are you? Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Are you alright?
I'm okay, and you? Happy New Year.
You're Smith Obasi?
You said?
Are you Smith Obasi?
No.
What's your name on Facebook?
Prince IK.
Huh? Oh, Prince
Prince
IK.
IK.
Yeah, Prince, how are you?
I'm doing good, and you?
I'm feeling good.
You're
Thanks for
looking
following
good,
us.
but
Thanks for your support.
you're welcome. You're stressful. I can see it on your face.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
So what's up
All right,
now?
love. I'm in a noisy place, so we can't have time to interact.
Okay. No problem. Just take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Ciao.
I don't go past my trade time. Then a couple I say I will stay here for 3 days. Here 40 minutes to go. 45 minutes to go. Okay, let's check. Line. I've checked the time.